Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to go over one of the most effective exercises for rehabilitation in regards to lumbar herniated discs, bulging discs, sciatica nerve pain. It's called the bird dog. However, it is one of the most butchered exercises. People do it slightly incorrectly, they do more damage to themselves than actual good. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to do it effectively from beginner through to advanced, okay? Now, before we get started, if you're enjoying my content I bring to you every week, please hit that subscribe button, okay? Help me produce content that will help you. All right, let's get into this. So folks, I'm going to be taking you through the bird dog exercise. Now, I did say it's heavily butchered on the internet and here on YouTube, unfortunately, with a lot of crazy variations. So I want to show you the correct way to do this exercise to bring the most benefits, going from the very, very beginner up to slightly more advanced. Now, it is very, very effective in helping those recovering from herniated discs, bulging discs, sciatica nerve pain, stenosis. I used it myself a lot back when I had my herniated discs to recover my own problem. I actually put it into my own course. I've got a course, if you don't know about it, there's a course that's going to flash up on the screen there, www.bashbackpain.com/course. It's a 21-day course I've created. It's a video online course you can take, which is designed to help reduce your lower back pain significantly within 21 days. If you are a chronic lower back pain sufferer, herniated discs, bulging discs, go and check it out today. Now, what do I mean by butchered exercise? Okay, so this exercise is designed to help stabilize your spine, get the muscles strong around about your spine. But you will see some people do very interesting variations, which will actually cause more harm than good. So one of the most common things you'll see people do with this exercise, you seem to see a lot in certain aerobics classes, is this jerking motion where they're like forcing the leg back, throwing the arm up, throwing the head up. You're gonna, excessive extension in your lower back. If you do have a disc problem, lower back pain, that can exacerbate it. You're throwing your head back, you may get a crick in your neck, cause some issues in your neck. You're doing it dynamically, not with control, and you'll see that a lot. So the proper way to do this, I'm going to show you right now. Now, the whole point is trying to keep your spine stable, keep the hips stable, not to lose that control. So a good way to test yourself, and I've got a little like physio lacrosse ball type thing here, is a tennis ball, a small ball, put in your lower back region. So the setup for this, you're going to be on all fours, so knees about hip width apart, hands under your shoulders. Now the lower back itself, I don't want it to be excessively arched, I don't want it to be rounded, okay? I want to be somewhere in the middle, neutral position. So I'm going to get my little ball here. So we're going to start with a very basic beginner position. So here, there, perfect. So I always like to start people out just with the arms, okay? So here I am, I brace my core, I can keep it strong and tight. I take one arm, I lift it out in front of me, the right hand I'm making a fist. I bring my bicep up past my ear, pull my shoulder blade back, hold for a second, and I bring it back slowly. I touch the ground, bring it up, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, and I bring it back. 1, 2, 3. So we'll count 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Hold for a count of 1, 2. Back. 3, 2, 1. That's the speed I want you to do it at. I would do 10 to 15 one side, then carefully, still bracing, other side, left side. So again, we come up, make a fist. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2. Back, 3, 2, 1, and up, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, 3, and hold. Now the ball is still there. Now I want to move now onto the lower limbs. So you would do the arms first. When you're comfortable just with the arms, you're not losing the little ball. Move on to the legs. So again, we brace everything, okay? If I don't brace, if I try to lift up one leg, if I shift my body over, I lose the ball, okay? Almost lost myself. So you want to make sure, okay, you brace. When I go to do my leg here, okay, I brace everything. I'm going to use my right leg first. Okay, I brace everything. I extend my leg, extend. So I'm not throwing it up here, I'm extending it back toes towards my knee. I imagine I'm pushing my heel away from me. Hold that position and bring it back. Control to here. Touch my knee to the ground very gracefully. Extend. Hold. I'm squeezing my glutes there. And back. So it's like 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Now, other side, saying I'm not losing my brace of my abs. Other side now, left leg. Extend it out. 3, 2, 1. Hold, toe towards the knee, squeeze my glute. 1, 2, hold, and then 3, 2, 1. Return, push it out. 1, 2, 3, push away, hold, 2, 1. Return, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so step 1, only the arms, okay? 10 each side, take a small break. You might want to come off your shoulders, start to get tiring on your shoulders, come off the shoulders, go back again, do another set. Do 2 sets, okay? Just for the arms. Maybe do it in the morning, do it in the evening. You feel comfortable with that, okay? Maybe the next day or the third day, bring in the legs. Do 1 set just for the arms, okay? So I do my arms, boom, 10, 10. Take a little second, a few seconds to rest. Then I bring in the legs, 10 one side, 10 the other, okay? Do that for a couple of days. You're still feeling comfortable, you're not losing your ball. Then you can move on to the arms and legs together, all right? It looks like this. So we're here, back into position. So I got my ball here, okay? Place it up in there, lower back region. So we're going to extend the right arm and the left leg. So bring it out, make my fist in my arm, extend, bicep close to the ear, toe towards the knee, hold for a second, bring it back in, touch the ground, gracefully, extend up, hold for a second, bring it back carefully, controlled, place here. Now, you do, again, 8 to 10 one side. Now we'll switch to the other side now, so it's going to be left hand, right leg. So I extend out carefully with control, make that fist, extend my leg out in front of me, hold for a second, bring it back in, I touch, extend out, hold, 1, 2, bring it back. And again, you would go 8 to 10 on that side. Okay, guys, it is a very simple exercise. It is easily butchered. Hopefully, this video has taught you how to do it correctly with the assistance of our little ball here, okay? Give it a try back at home. If you get any questions, whatever, please hit me up in the comments section. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.